So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get back a deleted file on your system without going to recycle bins, or if you don't have recycle bin, or even if you have deleted it from there as well. Now, in order to do it, let's say for example, this is my shortcut that if I delete it by mistakenly, and let's say I simply go and delete it. Now, once I do it, you can see it has been removed. It might have been gone to recycle bin or not, but we are not going there. All you need to do is to just simply press Ctrl plus Z on your keyboard, and you'll notice that your deleted file will come back on your keyboard, on your systems. Here you can see it has come back again just by pressing Ctrl plus Z on my keyboard, and you can do it with inside any folders as well. For example, any particular drive or just anywhere. If you delete some file by mistaken, press Windows press Control plus Z and undo that particular process. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.